It ain't lunchtime yet, man. You got to lay the blocks. You ready for lunch already? Get the hammer. Right here. Come on. Get the blocks. It ain't lunchtime yet. Put your lunch down. There you go. Lay these blocks, man. That's what I'm talking about. We'll work today. Hit the other end. Hit that end. Right here. That's it. Lay them things, son. Now you can take a lunch break. All right. Okay. You ready for lunch? Okay, you ain't did that much work and you ready for lunch already. You ready for lunch? Open it. Okay. After lunch, we back at work, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Bye.